article or history book or on newspaper or maybe on your social media. What about you, Ain? Have you ever read about Ahyeon life journey?
Actually, sometimes.
Yeah, on social media?
Yeah.
Okay, good job.
TikTok.
Okay, when you read about their life text, so what is biography? So now, let's discuss about biography, definition of biography text. Biography is a detailed description of a person's life, such as their birth, childhood, education, career, relationships, family, and even death. It is written by someone else and it is a non-fiction text. So, biografi itu deskripsi dari kisah hidup seseorang. Itu bisa mencakup kelahirannya, masa kecilnya, pendidikan, dan bahkan kematiannya kalau misal orang itu udah meninggal. It is written by someone else. So, biografi itu ditulis oleh someone else, oleh orang lain. Kalau misal if we write our own self, our story, it is called autobiography. But today we only talk about biography, so biography is written by someone else. And it is a non-fiction text. It means it is a real life story. So you can imagine by your thoughts about their story, about the person's story. Of biography text. The first one is to inspire and to motivate. Biography can inspire and motivate us. For example, when we read about successful people, we can feel motivated to achieve our dream. So, biography gives us inspire and motivate. And the second one is for historical information. For biography, we can know about historical, maybe for important people or events in the past. And then provide life lesson. Biography also gives us life lesson. When we read about their story, we got life lesson from their life. And then to be an academic reference, biography can be an academic reference. Of biography. So there are several characteristics atau ciri-ciri dari biography text. The first one is use simple past tense. Do you guys remember what is the patterns of simple past tense? Yes. What is that?
Subject, verb to, and object.
It's for verbal sentence. What about for nominal sentence?
Subject, whose or word, complement.
Okay, nice. This is the example of simple past tense in biographic text. This is for verbal sentence. He studied in Germany. We use verb to here, and then for the nominal sentence, we use was atau to be. He was born on June 25, 1936. And the second one is use specific participants. Biography text focuses on a particular person. For example, like B.J. Habibie or Justin Bieber, maybe Bruno Mars. So it only tells us about one person. And then use time connectives. Words that show time connectives is words that show sequence and time relationships. For example, like then, before, after that, and etc. And then biography also use of action verbs. Action verbs show actions or activities like studied, worked, and invented. Do you get it, guys? This is the structure of biography text. There are orientation. Orientations is the opening paragraph introduce the subject, like who, what, when, and where, and provides foundational background information. So, in orientation, ini biasanya ada di paragraf pertama, dan itu memperkenalkan subjeknya. ada who, what, when, and where. Who itu siapa? Siapa yang akan kita ceritakan? And then what itu apa? Apa profesi dari orang tersebut? And then when, kapan dia dilahirkan? Dan juga where itu di mana dia tinggal atau di mana dia dilahirkan. And provides foundational background information. Itu tuh untuk background informasi. Terus events. Events is a chronological series of the subjects, experiences, challenges, and career milestones that shape their life. Events ini isi terpenting dari biography text. Di sini itu diceritakan, di events itu diceritakan kisah hidup dari tokoh tersebut, pengalamannya, tantangannya, dan karirnya. Events. And then the last one is reorientation. Reorientation is the closing section summarize the person's legacy, contributions, or the author's final reflections. Ini bisa juga disebut sebagai conclusion atau kesimpulan dari semua kisah sebelumnya. Bisa juga ada author final reflections. Jadi kalian bisa menambahkan pendapat kalian di reorientation. Here's the example of biography text. The title is Biography of B.J. Habibie. I want you to read, one of you. Mawar, the first paragraph, please.
Yes, Miss. Baharudin Yusuf Habibie, known as B.J. Habibie, was the third president of Indonesia and a brilliant aeronautical engineer. He was born on June 25, 1936 in Parepare, Sulawesi. Habibie was recognized as a genius who brought significant advancement to Indonesia's aerospace technology.
Okay, good job. Give applause to Mawar. Okay, the second paragraph, please read. Arin,
Sampai mana, Miss?
sampai ini, the second paragraph from this students.
Sampai Jogja.
Yes.
Habibie studied engineering at the Bandung Institute of Technology, or ITB, before continuing his studies in Germany, where he specialized in aircraft construction. He spent many years working and studying in Germany, becoming a vice president at Messerschmitt RMB. His expertise in thermodynamics, construction, and aerodynamics gained him international recognition. In 1975 and 74, President Suharto asked him to return to Indonesia to help develop the country's technology center. He served as the Minister of Research and Technology for 20 years before becoming the Vice President and later the President of Indonesia in 1998 during a turbulent political transition.
Okay, good job. Give applause. Okay, and for the last paragraph, I want Arin to read the last paragraph. Yes.
Habibie passed away on September 1, 2019, but his legacy as the father of technology in Indonesia continued to inspire many people. His achievements in, what is that?
orientation, where's the events, and where's the
For the structure of biography of PJ Habibie, the event is the paragraph 1. Second paragraph.
The what?
The event, the orientation.
Orientation.
First
First
paragraph.
paragraph.
And then the events is second paragraph.
Okay.
The orientation is the last paragraph.
Okay, nice. What about this group?
Same. First paragraph is event.
Yes, and then?
Second paragraph is orientation, and the last paragraph reorientation.
Okay. What about this group?
Same with
Same with first group. So, the first paragraph is orientation, the second paragraph is event, and the last is reorientation. Correct, correct.
Yay!
Jadi paragraf pertama itu adalah orientation karena dia memperkenalkan B.J. Habibie. B.J. Habibie itu siapa, dia lahir di mana, kapan dia dilahirkan. Terus paragraf kedua itu event karena di situ ada chronologically menceritakan pengalaman B.J. Habibie, dan the last one is reorientation. Okay, so I want you to discuss again about the language features. So I want group 1 to find the time connectives, and group 2 to find the action verbs, and group 3 to find simple past tense. Alright. Bisa? Time connective. Time connective. Group 2 find action verb. Group 3 find simple past tense. Not yet.
Yang kayak before gitu bukan sih? Kita ini tutorialnya before. Oh iya, menentukan waktu. Nanti tahun juga.
Iya, betul. Ini viewsnya tuh kayak jadi.
Not yet. I think like a study. Miss. Don't miss. All of them. And arts, play, work, became, came.
Okay.
Siap,
Have you done class?
Yes, miss. Already.
Okay. I want group 1 to present first. In your kursi aja kan?
Connectives itu kayak tahun.
Iya,
Iya,
di sini.
Karena itu ada yang mana ya?
Yang mana?
25. Ya,
On June 25.
Iya, 25.
Yeah, and then?
Paragraf 2 yang Germany.
Germany.
Yeah.
In Germany.
Yeah.
Okay, nice. And then?
Sama yang in 1974.
In 1974. Any other?
Ya.
Yang mana?
In 1998.
Paragraf berapa?
Paragraf 2. Second paragraph.
Oh, okay. And then any other?
I think is enough.
Okay. Good job. You plus 2. And now time for group 2. Action verbs. Apa aja? Studied. Oke, betul. Terus apa lagi? Worked. Terus? Specialized. Oke, good job. What about games? What games? Okay. And then? Which paragraph?
Inspired.
Okay.
And the Republic.
Okay, good job. Give us a What about group 3? Simple past tense.
Yes.
Yes.
The first paragraph, he was born.
paragraph. Yes.
Studied and specialized.
Specialized and then Spain.
Asked.
Soeharto asked.
Served.
Yeah.
Served.
He served. Terus?
And then for the passed away. Yeah. For
Oh
the
yeah, passed away. Habibie passed away and then
Okay, and made.
made. Okay, good job. Give applause to me. Okay. 14. Write a short biography about your favorite figure in short sentence, maybe 3 to 5 sentences. It must involve with use simple past tense, mention an achievement or imagine event, and use time connecting. Oh jangan The waktunya 10 menit aja ya, cukup. Oke.
Yes. Okay,
Have we done, guys?
Yes.
Is there any volunteer to come forward? Miku, Priyanika, come forward please. I love you, Miku. Konnichiwa. Okay, Priyanika please. Who's your favorite person?
My favorite person is Kim Jin.
Okay, please tell me about Kim.
Kim Jin is a South Korean singer and a rapper. She was born on January 6, 1966 in South Korea. She became famous as a member of Blackpink. Jennie trained under YG Entertainment for several years before becoming a member of the most popular Korean rap group in the world.
Okay, good job. Give applause.
Oke, Aisyah.
Who is your favorite person, Aisyah?
Taylor Swift.
Taylor Swift. Okay, good job. Tell us about Taylor Swift.
Wah, bagus banget.
Belum.
Taylor Swift is a
achieve. Are you sure?
Yes.
Yay. Next, which is an example of a simple past
Study.
Yeay, udah ya, udah selesai. Ranking 1 dapat apa? Dapat makan MBG. Udah selesai pembelajaran kita hari ini. Thank you for listening.
Before we end this learn, I want you to reflect the material. So tadi kita udah belajar apa?
Biografi.